Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix high ping and packet loss in Marvel Rivals. Alright, let's begin. First, right-click on Marvel Rivals in your game launcher, go to Properties, and open Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files to ensure all files are correctly installed. This process will take a few minutes. Next, go to the Browse section and locate the Marvel Rivals launcher. Copy its file path. Now, open Windows Defender Firewall and click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. If Marvel Rivals is not listed, click Change Settings, then Allow another app. Paste the file path, add the launcher, and ensure all checkboxes are selected. Now, open Network Connections and find your active network. Right-click, select Properties, and locate Internet Protocol version 4. Click Use the following DNS server addresses and set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate to 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Finally, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Then type netsetch winsock reset and press Enter. Search for Network Reset in Windows, click Reset Now, and restart your PC. So that's basically how you can fix high ping and packet loss in Marvel Rivals. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.